In this video, we are going to be looking at how to filter your data using dates. So you can filter your data using discrete date, or you can filter your data using continuous date, and look at both. So let's quickly create a visualization. And we want to filter by order date. Once you are here, you can filter by discrete values, discrete date parts, which is represented by blue icons. Or you can filter by continuous date part, which is represented by green icons. So let's just choose years, for example, and click on next. And then it gives you the options of which years to choose. And let's just choose all and click OK. And you may not be able to see what's happening, so let's go ahead and show our filter card, and let's just choose 2012. So now we are just looking at the data for 2012. We are looking at the data for 2012 and 2013. And I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to control and put it in color. And basically control and put it in color just creates a duplicate of it. So now once we choose different dates, it's easier to kind of see the changes that's happening. So you can filter by discrete date part, but you can also filter by continuous date part. Let me create a new visualization to help illustrate this. Let's look at cells by order date. So right here, this is automatically filtered into year, but we can break this down a bit. And now we are looking into quarters, and now we are looking into months. And basically this graph right here just shows us cells by months, by different months for all the years. Now to add our filter to this, we'll just drag order date into filter, and then we'll choose range of date and click next. And we just want to show the range of date from 2001 to 2012. And then we click OK. Our data changes to reflect the part we've chosen. And if you click on this and do on show filter, you can choose different range values. So basically what this graph is showing is that from 2012 to 2013 in the different months, these are like the cells numbers. That's one way to filter by date part. Let's just clear the filter. So this is for all the years, for all the months. Let's go ahead and grab this, control, drag it to the filters to duplicate it, and let's choose relative date and click on next. Once we are here in this view, you can choose to anchor your graph relative to, let's say, today that I'm making this video, so that whenever you update your data source, your graph will be updated. You can anchor it to previous day, to the next day, and you can choose relative date of years, previous year, this year. Now this graph goes all the way up to 2016 and this 2020, so it's a little bit difficult to kind of show you relative dates. But from here you can choose a range of dates. We want a range of dates from 1/1 to 2014, or starting date. Let's say we want our date to start in 2013. From here you can click apply and be able to see the changes that's happening. End date, let's say we want to start from the beginning and end date like that, and click apply. As you can see, the changes is taking place, or you can make special requests from here. So this is one way to filter using date as continuous values. So that's how you filter on continuous date part. You can even filter using ship date, and we can choose years, quarters, months, days, week numbers, month/year, month/day/year. And let's say we click on next from here, and we can click all or none. Apply. Okay, it just shows up as a single date because all of those dates are in January. And of course we could edit filter, and let's pick some in March, some in February, and click apply, and we can see the changes. So that's a quick introduction of how to filter your data using date parts, discrete date parts like years and quarters, or using relative dates or range of dates, which are continuous values. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next video.